All right, still more fractions here. We're going to multiply fractions today. Pretty basic. I like this one. Multiply straight across. That's how you do fractions. You just multiply straight across. So if I have, I don't know, 2/3 times 1/5, that's just 2/15. I just multiply straight across. That's how I multiply fractions. I multiply the denominators, I multiply the multipliers, I multiply the numerators, I multiply the denominators. That's it. Now, I want to prove to you, hopefully, that this really does work. And I'm going to do that using the idea of half of a half. So if I have a pizza, everything's about pizza. You know, I think I talked about pizza in a video a couple moments ago. Okay? Here's half of a pizza. It's pepperoni. And this part of the pizza is gone. Okay? Now, I have half of a pizza. And if I multiply that by a half, what is half of a half? Right? Here's my half, and I cut him in half. What am I left with right here? What's half of a half? Isn't that a fourth? I'm left with a fourth. And that's the idea. Half of a half is a fourth. I just multiply straight across. It really does work. Half of a half is a fourth. Let me see if I can do this again. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to go with, what's half of a third? Okay, let's have a, here's a pizza. Okay, there's a pizza. I divided it into thirds. Now, I'm going to take one of these thirds right here. Let's see, get rid of this one. Bye. I take a third. Now I'm going to take this third and cut it in half. What's half of a third? Half of a third is a sixth. It works. Straight across. Okay. After you've done your fraction work, make sure you reduce things down. You're not going to want to leave something like 2/8. You'd want to reduce that down to a 1/4. Make sure you reduce. Okay, let's do some math. Those are some good looking circles. Multiply straight across and reduce. 5 times 8 is 40. 9 times 9 is 81. And there is no reduction on that one. One times 9 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. That'll reduce to 9 goes in there one time. 9 goes in there 10 times. 1/10. Now, some of you are saying, hey, Mr. Barr, couldn't we have reduced right here? Absolutely, you could have done that. Be careful. People like to mess this up sometimes. Just be cautious with it. Let's do another one. 5 times 5, that's 25. 6 times 9 is 54, and there is no reduction. And here's why you want to be cautious with that reduction. People are going to want to try to reduce like this, the 6 and the 9. They don't reduce. You can't do that. You can reduce up and down or on the diagonal. You want to do this? You want to do this? And try that? I'm happy with that. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 9 is 18. All right.